Hello gang, welcome back to the Hedge channel. Let's get to the good stuff first. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Please hit that bell for the notification. Please do that. Before I even get into anything having to do with her, please do that. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know the whole script. Do all that. Hold me down so I can hold y'all down. As you can see in the title when you clicked on this video, I am back with another inexpensive wiggery. I'm gonna run with this and say this is 26. Now, I don't have any specialties for you at the beginning of this video. No wiggery wine, no wiggery whiskey, no wiggery W anything. So we're gonna hop right into it. Well, I am back with the wig from the last wiggery. It has not been worn as of yet, so I don't have anything to report. But I will report back in the next video when I have given this some real hit the streets time, and I will give you all of the details on that. I purchased a wig off of I purchased a wig off of Amazon from a wig company named Atoz wig, or Atoz, or it's ATOZ wig. I'm sure it's Atoz or Atoz. This wig is pinky black two-tone ombre. I haven't done a pink wig or a pink ombre wig in quite some time, so I thought that would be necessary. Oh, another non-lace wig. Wonderful. You know, things advertised as one thing and they come as another, and that's, you know, you gotta love Amazon and you gotta love made in China. You never know what you're gonna get, you know. So let's not be mad. It looks pastel in some lights, it looks kind of fuchsia. It's giving me watercolored bundle vibes. Up front it has the rough synthetic straight, you know, so it has a straight texture, but it's I'm still trying. Okay, even when they are straight, even when they are silky, whatever the texture, if it's a relaxed texture, it has no kink to it, it has no curliness to it, it still has a roughness, and this has that roughness to it. It's pretty thick. It's not as thick as this. It's not thin though, so that's good. It is not a lace wig. It has no parting space. This is simply something that's going to stick on the top of your head, and you are going to have to pluck that part. That part looks atrocious. This is basically identical to the gray wig that I just tried on. It's pretty much the same exact thing. But I will say, they put something down here that kind of looks like your scalp. I'm going to get in closer and show you, but this is hilarious. It almost looks like a rubber or plastic piece that looks shiny like how a scalp looks. Oh. So do you see this kind of thing they have going on that kind of is giving it this like actual scalp vibe? It's really shiny. That looks like a scalp. That's cool if they start doing that. That is actually really dope. And when I'm looking through the cap, I can see this kind of like rubbery plastic little piece that is set there. This is what the front looks like. Nothing. I already know that it tangles a lot. I already know that it sheds a lot. We're gonna run with this being about almost the same length as the hair I'm wearing now, although it's cut in layers, so only the back is about that length. So let's just wig switch, okay? Okay. What I'm gonna say positive is that I adore me in this color. Now, I love the color on me. I think it's phenomenal. I The straightness, this is another wig like I was saying about the gray one that is going to do fantastic with heat, and it's going to give me that real sleek hair style look. I'm here for this kind the ombre, because it kind of is selling me unicorn purple vibes. It almost looks like it looks like a dark root blending into purple, blending into pink, and I'm here for that. Like, I'm really loving that, the effect that it's given. But like I said, it's in dire need of a pluck. And the only other problem though is this right here. This is disgusting how raised this is, and it's the same problem I had with the gray wig. It was really raised, and it's because it's just a round like piece around your head, and it doesn't like melt or blend into your hairline to give it some kind of like symmetry. It just looks like, here's my head, here's the wig, bang bang bang. The hair itself, very tangly, extremely tangly. It took me quite a while to brush out the tangles fresh out of the bag, and that's not very good. It's quite a bit of shedding, and this was only a couple of times combed. So let's, God, it looks faker. No, I can't do a side part. The wig cap shows, so that's a dub. I can do that. I'm feeling that. Here is what I call a slouch. Slouch, kind of with that little bucket kind of vibe in the front. Yeah, I like this better because it looks more fun. And this is also my boo Action Bronson's hats. So yeah, I think I'm going to wear this out, especially I'm going to have to put hella pins in it for it to stay on. But I will say that the cap is pretty snug, and I might actually need to use the adjustable straps for this, and I can make it a little bit tighter on my head. But I think with the hat I should be good, as long as I never take it off and I don't have to feel self-conscious about that bump in the top. The same thing that the gray one had. So this is, I feel like they might be the same wig. Let's just get into this 360 so we can do final thoughts and then peace out, okay? I'm digging the color, I'm digging this ombre effect, I'm digging how it looks like a couple of different colors when you turn different ways. I'm digging all of that. I just do not appreciate the fact that this is not a lace front or something a little bit better than this. Even wigs that don't have lace don't come with this type of thing going on. Also, the texture is not my fave. The fact that it's shedding as much as it is right now, I wonder how much hair I'll have left by the time I take this wig off. So those are my complaints. With all of that being said, my rating on this is gonna be 4.55. Yeah, I'll let you guys know in the update in the next video how I, freaked this and how I did or did not wear it out. Because knowing me, when I don't like a wig enough, it sits on the shelf. Here we are at the end. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you digging me in this color? Would you purchase this wig yourself? But don't get me wrong, I do believe this is no more than $17. So for 17 bucks, I don't think you're going wrong. I think you can slay this for $17. I'm not mad for having to wear a hat for $17. Some people are probably thinking throw some baby hairs in this, and I could do that, but it still would be raised, So I'm gonna try to freak it. I'm gonna let you guys know in the next video, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, as always, I love you all. Be cool like you be cool. cool. Have a great rest of your week.